In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how you can easily update contact and mailing information for your Discover Bank online on desktop. So first thing, just head over to discover.com on any of your browser and make sure you're currently logged into your account. And once you successfully log into your account, you should see your profile icon right at the top right corner of your navigation bar. And once you click on that, you should see the option or look for an option like a profile or settings, and just locate the sections for your contact details or address and make the necessary changes there. So just follow the on-screen instructions to save your updated information, which may require entering a verification code sent to your email or phone. And similarly, you can also actually contact the mentioned phone number such as 1-800-347-7000 for banking account. And similarly, you can also contact your Discover customer service on the mentioned number over here for your particular issue or your queries. And that is it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.